If your emails are landing in spam or worse, not showing up at all, this video will save you weeks of frustration. Before you send another campaign, you need to understand email warm-up. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it using Warmy.io, even if you are a complete beginner. Here's the mistake most people make. They set up a new email and they start sending emails right away. Then they wonder why open rates are terrible, replies never come, and emails go straight to spam. What's actually happening is quite simple. Email providers don't trust you as yet. So Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook are protecting their users. This is where email warm-up comes in. Email warm-up is the process of slowly building trust with email providers. So instead of blasting hundreds of emails right away, you send small amounts, get real opens, get real replies, and in turn, you'll be able to build a sending pattern, and from there, you'll be able to build trust with your email providers. So think of it like warming up a phone number before calling hundreds of people. This is what Warmy.io automates. So what Warmy.io does differently is Warmy.io connects your email to a network of real inboxes behind this. So they'll be able to send email on your behalf, open them, reply naturally, and also mark emails as important or safe. This trains email providers to see your domain as legitimate, active, and also trustworthy. And in turn, you'll be getting results like higher inbox placement, better open rates, and more replies. Now, who is Warmy.io for? Warmy.io is ideal if you're running cold email outreach, sending newsletters, or doing B2B or B2C email marketing, and you're launching a brand new domain, or you're recovering from spam issues, and your email matters to your business, and warm-up is not optional. Now, let me walk you through how to use Warmy.io. The first thing you'll need to do, I've left a link below that will allow you to sign up for completely free. So you're going to tap on that link and you'll be redirected to this page. Once here, you'll be able to sign up with your Gmail account. So you can simply tap on Get 7-Day Free Trial and you'll be able to sign up. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, the next thing you'll need to do is connect your mailbox. So you'll go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, you can select mailboxes and you'll see the option to add mailbox, or you can tap on domain and from there you'll be able to add a mailbox. You can connect your Google Workspace, your Gmail, Outlook, Zoho, or SMTP provider. All you need to do is just follow the on-screen prompts. No technical skills are needed. So you can see that I've connected my Gmail account right here. Now once you have connected your Gmail account, before warming up, Warmy checks SPF, DKIM, and also ARC. These records prove you're a legitimate sender. If anything is missing, Warmy tells you exactly what to fix and where to paste it. This step alone can fix deliverability issues instantly. Now, starting the warm-up. Once you're verified, the next thing I want you to do is you're going to simply tap on your domain name. After you have tapped on your domain name, what I want you to do next, you can tap on Setup in the top here. And from here, you can choose the speed as you can see right here. So you can fill in the send from name. And you can also fill in the maximum amount of emails that you would like to send per day. And I recommend that you don't rush this. So fast sending tend to kill trust. So here's what I would recommend based on my research. If you are connecting a new domain, I recommend that you pace it out so it would be 2 to 4 weeks of warming up. If you have an existing domain, I would recommend that you space it out so it goes 1 to 2 weeks. And based on research, the maximum that they recommend you send if you're just starting out is between 50 to 30 emails. So Warmy works best when it runs in the background consistently, and this will prevent you from going to spam. Now, when we go into the dashboard, if we should quickly talk about the dashboard, there are a few things you'll see once you're signed in. From here, you'll be able to see inbox rate. You'll also be able to see spam rate and domain health score, and also engagement trends. You don't need to obsess. Just make sure inbox placement is trending upward. Now, if we were to quickly look at the pricing when it comes onto Warmy.io, so let me go back real quick. From here, if we were to tap on upgrade, you can see how the pricing looks. So if I could go onto the monthly plan, You can see that the starter plan begins at $49, and from there you'll be able to get 100 warm-up emails, and you'll also get 5 DNS and also 5 inbox placement. With Warmate, it uses volume-based pricing, which means you pay based on how much you send, and pricing scales as your business grows. So you can see right here the different pricing plans that you can select from, and it starts off at $49 and it can go up to $429. With the $429 per month plan, you'll be able to get 5,000 warm-up emails and 50 DNS record tests, as you can see right here. And by scrolling down, you can read more about it. So in conclusion, if email deliverability matters to you, Warmate.io is one of the safest and most hands-off solution you can use, and it protects your sender reputation on the long term. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and for watching.